here's an example of a summation, and we want to find the partial sum. So we want to find out what is the sum of these terms. We have to find out what the terms are. So we start with the bottom number and our term 1. So I sub 1 equals, and then our number is going to go in for that I place. So 2 times 1/2 raised to the first term. So 1/2 times 1 is 1, and then multiplying it, we get 2 times 1/2 is 1. So there's our first term. Then we want to find I sub 2. So we're going to replace it with a 2 now, with that I. So 1/2, and now this becomes now a 2. So 2, 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. 2 times 1/4 is 2/4, and then reducing it, and we get 1/2. Last term, remember this is where we stop, that top number. So I sub 3 equals 2 times 1/2 cubed. So 2, 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 is same thing as 2 to the third power. This is 1/8. Multiply across, 2 times 1 is 2 over 8, which is 1/4. And then what you do is you add up the sum of these terms. So the sum of 3 terms is 1 plus 1/2 plus 1/4. And we get 1 and 3/4. Just want to show you the difference now of an indicated sum, but this time this is what we call infinite. So we're not going to be able to stop it. We're going to make a judgment call of how close it's getting to a number. So our starting point again is 1, and let's start finding some of these terms. So I'm just going to go 3 over 10 and replace that I with a 1, and then plus 3 over 10, and now it's squared, and then plus 3 over 10 cubed, and then 3 over 10 to the 4th. Remember, this does go on forever. So 3 over 10 as a decimal value is 0.3. And then 3 over 10 squared, remember 10 squared is 100. So 3 over 100, and then 3 over 100 is 0.03. So if you want to change that to 0.03, and then we have 3 over 1,000, and 3 over 1,000 is 0.003, so I'll just erase this as 0.003, and you're going to start to notice a pattern, 0.0003. If we could start to add these up, 0.3 plus 0.03 plus 0.003 plus 0.0003, what are we getting? 0.333 repeating. So we say that the sum of this series is approximately 1/3. It's not exact, but it's just continuing on and getting very close to 0.333 repeating, or 1/3.